how to plan a campaign inside Team-GPT. Let's imagine that we have this big client, McDonald's, and over here in my left sidebar in Team-GPT, I have created a project for this client. So that project contains all information and work that I've done for them. As you can see, we have also our collaborators over here. Some other people have done some chats in that project, and I have also created some project, and I have shared it with relevant people from my team. First, before I begin, I would like to show you project knowledge and what project knowledge inside Team-GPT does. So when you add content in project knowledge, which can be project information, example outputs, links, files, and so on and so forth, the AI automatically will reference this knowledge inside of every chat that is inside the project. And also all team members can access and basically use the same information, which for me is literally a time saver. And as you can see, the project knowledge I have added over here is a persona. You're a marketer and you work for McDonald's marketing campaigns. Your purpose is to support our agency team in creating marketing materials and so on and so forth. As you can see, the information that I have given the AI is a lot, because basically the more context you give the AI, the better response you will receive. And if I provide all of this context inside the chat, it will basically the context will be flooded. At some point, the AI will start to hallucinate. And with project knowledge, this context is sent to the AI with every message that I'm going to send. So basically, the AI will keep that in mind throughout the whole conversation, not just only at the beginning and then basically forget about it. So over here, I have added some links that are basically some information about McDonald's, who we are, what's our purpose, and so on and so forth. We have something over here that is not relevant that I will need to delete. And then I also have some files. For example, I have the McDonald's brand book. That is, of course, important for every marketer that's gonna build content for a brand. So back to our campaign plan. Let's say that McDonald's is launching Mac Sunrise Bowl, because I was brainstorming with AI for this demo. So this is a brand new product that's basically a super healthy bowl that has protein, greens, and so on inside. And we want to, as an agency that's working for McDonald's, we will need to generate a good content plan for launching basically this new product of McDonald's. So I will open the prompt library of our Team-GPT workspace that has dozens, I don't know, if not hundreds of prompts that we've separated in different folders over here for better organization. And I'm going to open the marketing folder and go into campaign management. And I will click on the campaign planning prompt. This is a pre-saved prompt that I can reuse multiple times. And as you can see inside the prompt, I have some so-called variables. So how variables work is that they have different values on every use. So you can use this prompt thousands of times and change some important details. For example, the target audience, budget, timeline in our case, and so on. I will add my information that I have prepared in advance because I didn't want to waste time. But these are going to be our campaign details. Basically, we need to position the Mac Sunrise Bowl as a customizable, nutritious breakfast solution. Then for the target audience, I'm also going to copy paste it. My target audience is young professionals, health conscious, of course, college students, and people that basically care about their health. For budget, I will say let's say 3 million. And say that the timeline is 3 to 4 months. And so I will click on continue, and as you can see, now I have in front of me the full prompt, and everything that I have put inside the variables is now inside my prompt. And let's see what Claude will generate. Okay, it is giving me some code that I would like it to fix. I will say give it to me in a better format. Don't use code. It's pretty long, by the way. So after I'm ready with this, I will ask the AI to give me some KPIs and order them in a table format so that they're clear for me. And so as you can see, we have our KPIs over here, and we kind of have this outline of a campaign strategy ready. Basically, LLMs, large language models as Claude and GPT, they're really good in Markdown. So basically, I oftentimes ask it to regenerate the content and put it in a whatever format, whether it's table or just add bullet points or whatever it is. So I'm going to go back up here where we have our outline, and I'm going to fork this chat. I'm going to click on this button over here. Forking basically allows you to create a copy of existing chat and continue the conversation in a different direction. And this is a feature that we have because in Team-GPT, because it is particularly useful for team collaboration and exploring different topics, different aspects of a topic, which is basically what I'm going to do now. I'm going to fork this chat from this message, just so I have only the right context without the KPIs, because I don't need them from what I'm going to do next. And I will prompt the AI. Let's brainstorm about social media a bit. Give me examples of messaging and social media posts. Okay, and now the AI will start basically helping me brainstorm on the topic. As you can see, we can see basically how the core messaging, and we can then ask the AI to change this, to add different messaging. And here you can see we have some Instagram post examples, TikTok content ideas, LinkedIn strategy, and so on. So cool. You just saw how Team-GPT can help you plan a campaign in just a couple of minutes, I believe, with project knowledge and the readily available prompts that I had inside my prompt library.